Welcome to Learn English Stepwise Progress. Learn household chores vocabulary.
She is hanging up the laundry. Sarah is walking the dog. I am painting the wall pink. She is sorting the recycling. Sarah is mopping the floor. I am ironing the clothes. My sister is dusting the furniture. She is chopping vegetables for the salad. She is taking out the trash. He is organizing the garage. She is folding the laundry. I am weeding the garden. She is tidying up the living room. She is laying out clothes for tomorrow. My sister is loading the dishwasher. She is clearing the table. She is scrubbing the bathtub. I am changing the pillowcase. She's sewing a button on the shirt.
Thanks for watching.